Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Doug 10 Naples in Exile channel analytics. He has uploaded 782 videos. He now has 449k subscribers with a total view of 52,507,984 views. He's from US, and his channel type is entertainment. He created his channel since June 19, 2007. The grade he got is A-, and his Social Blade ranking is at 1,874th. The subscriber ranking is 58,364th, and then video view rank is 111,036th. He ranked at 12,655th in US and 13,319th in people. Next, the daily subs for Doug is around -33 with a daily view of 231,856. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 230,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $920. Then, monthly income will be $27,600. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $15,180 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $182,160. That is how much Doug 10 Naples in Exile earns from YouTube.